So you need a stress-free, affordable website and you need it yesterday? We can help. Hi, I'm Nelly from UENI. In this quick video, let's go over the benefits you're getting with your purchase. UENI's lifetime license includes everything you need to get your business online without any complications. First, we'll ask a few questions about your business. The more information you provide, the richer your site will be. But if you don't have a lot of information to share or your business is just getting started, don't worry. Our team has built websites for hundreds of thousands of businesses, and we will make your business website look great. Next, our amazing website experts will use the information you provided to build a unique, fully tailored website for your business. We will write the copy, we will select the images, and pick the layout and colors to make your business a professional brand online. This is what we mean when we say done for you. We do it for you. Not sure what to write, what images to use, how to make sure your website is totally SEO friendly? We do it for you. Now, it takes 7 days to prepare your website from the time we receive your questionnaire. We will present your website to you in your launch and training Zoom call. Please make sure to book this call. It's the best 45 minutes you can spend on your business. This is a one-on-one session where we show you the website and the UENI platform and make any changes you need so you're absolutely thrilled with your website. We will also teach you how to easily make edits anytime from any device. And you know what's the best part about the lifetime deal? Happiness is guaranteed. We'll make adjustments to your site until you're thrilled to have it launched. Now, let's go over some of the key features you get for being a lifetime customer. Free hosting for life, domains, e-commerce and appointments, super easy to edit your site, reviews and verified Google profile, and ongoing support. Web agencies usually charge you a setup fee and an ongoing maintenance fee. UENI doesn't. You simply pay our one-time fee and you're set for life. As a default, your website will be built on ueniweb.com domain, but you can easily personalize this. Your lifetime plan allows you to connect any domain you already own, making it very easy to point your existing domain to your new UENI website. On the e-commerce side, you can sell unlimited products with 0% commission to UENI. Accept credit cards, debit cards, pay with PayPal, or offline payment through your website. If your business takes appointments, all your services can be bookable through your UENI website. You can even connect your website with the third-party booking platform of your choice. Bonus, you can also get your products synced to your Facebook or Instagram, making them easier to sell straight from your feed. You'll be given a clean-looking, professionally designed website. However, you can always amend all aspects of your website. Feel free to change layouts, the template, pick some new colors, or change the fonts. All this with our easy-to-use editor, which is also mobile-friendly. Reviews and a verified Google business profile. If you don't have one, we will build and verify your Google business profile and link it to your UENI account. This means that people will find you on Google Maps and Google Search. Bonus, we have an awesome tool built into your business hub that allows you to SMS or email your customers a link directly to your Google reviews page. Last but not least, our service is our product. A world-class team of web experts are with you at every step of the way, and this is really what makes UENI stand out. Our team is available to answer any questions. Just reach out through the Business Hub or ping us an email at help@ueni.com. And remember, this is the lifetime deal. You have access to all these amazing benefits, from 0% commission on sales to lifetime hosting and maintenance. Still have doubts? Check out our over 3,000 5-star reviews and see for yourself what customers are raving about. Small businesses' best kept secret.